It's heaps funner if you come up and like.
You can come up the front if you like, but it's okay if you want to stay back there as well, because we can still, still have a good time. But this next song is an old one. It's called Lack of Silence. We're selling EPs here tonight for $10 as well, in case you don't have one. 5. What?
I want 10.
Okay, 10. Fucking 10.
He's right.
All right, this next song, as I said, is called Lack of Silence. It's old.
I've lost it all. Never thought I'd be the one to. Now you got me holding on to you. Now we're shaking from our slumber. The TV shows us number. It's so seriously red. Like a silence to the floor out through the air. You don't deserve to stand and cry with me.
Thanks.
The nights are getting colder. The days are getting shorter. Once again it all seems afraid of things that don't make sense. Afraid of being left out. Once again, lost in the way.